guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a really fun summery design. I know summer is almost over, but I just had to get a few more designs in here before it goes away completely. Anyways, so let me talk you through what I already have on my hands right now. I have a base coat for neons. This is basically a white tinted base coat, so you can skip the base coat, then the white polish, then the neon process. I then have China Glazes Boho Blues. Now this one has kind of a crappy formula, I want to say. It's kind of really hard to work with, but the color is really pretty, so if you're okay with that and you love the color, then I would definitely go pick this up. So that is, and I just have one coat of that on my fingers, and then while that was drying, I went around my fingers with latex, liquid latex from Queen. It just looks like this. I got it off of Amazon. And then we are going to go over this with some stamping. Stamping plate I am using is Lena's Four Seasons Summer 01 plate, and I will be using this fun seashell design, not coral, coral's up here, seashell design, and I'll be using these flowers and these leaves as well. Now my stamping polishes that I will be using, I'm going to be using is from Bundle Monster. This one is Rave Babe, and it's like a corally neon pink color. And then I will also be using Candy Spirit. This is a neon purple, as well as Jungle Mirage. This is a pastel neon green. First, we're gonna start with this shell design right here. This will be going on my thumb and my ring finger. So you're just gonna take your polish, do one line of polish. I'm dragging this one down a little bit because it seems a little bit thin. Anyways, okay. Let's drag it down and see how it goes. Okay, so first, let's put it on my finger. So there's that one. I think that one looks really pretty. I've been loving the two-layered look lately, so I'm super tempted to layer it up with something. I just don't know what I want to layer it with. Let's finish the rest of these and then we'll see if I still want to layer this. If so, I can always come back to it. Okay, next up, we are going to be doing this leafy design right here. And this is going to be going on all my other 3 fingers. Oh, you guys, this green and this blue together are just stunning. Now I'm going to move on to these center flowers right here. I'm actually going to flip it this way, and now I'm going to use that pastel-y purple color. I'm just going to do one line across the bottom. That I did not scrape all the way. I picked up my scraper too soon, but it will be enough to cover my pinky. Okay, so these nails are super busy, and I actually don't like that at all. Let's do, it needs a base of some sort. Those flowers need a base of some sort. And I think this will be the perfect opportunity to also throw some white into my seashells as well. They just need a base to pop a little bit more. I want them to be more bam in your face. Again, picked up my scraper too soon. Okay, but this will be perfect because this is the flower I used for here. Let's switch over to the purple really quick. I always experiment on my pinky, because that way it's a less noticeable finger, and if I like something better one way, then I can always just switch it back to how it was before. Okay, no, I like them purple. So now I'm just gonna switch these out. The hard part is lining these up just kind of so that they look really good. Okay, now we're going to switch back over to the purple shade. Yeah, they just look better. They just pop a little bit more. I'm starting to learn that with stamping, if you layer up your designs, they look a little bit more complete and finished. I just like them better. Okay, now these shells, I want to give them a layered look. You completely don't have to do this. This is totally up to you, but I do. And since I already used the white accent in the first go around, I'm just gonna keep with that theme of layering it. Now this, I'm gonna be a little bit more picky. Okay, that was pretty dead on, which I'm super glad with, because when I turn around to go do the other color, that's the color that I want to have be on top. Now let's switch over to the pink. So you guys, doing nails is totally trial and error. You just got to figure out what you like and do it. Okay. As the rain starts coming, I'm so sorry. And then, sorry guys, I have to talk over the rain. Then you're just gonna take a cleanup brush dipped in some acetone. And do cleanup around the edges. And then once you're done with your cleanup, you're just going to take tweezers and peel up that latex. Okay, so there is your cleaned up design, and then I am just going to take some matte top coat and go over the top of this design. And there is your finished design. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I love you guys so much, and as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!